Hi everyone, welcome on board the Axopar 45. Here in sunny Palma, it has its world premiere 1 day ago, and it's been super busy going in and out with sea trials for our international members of the press or for customers and dealers coming all over the world. The boat is full with innovations and new solutions that you have not been used to see on any 45-foot boats in the past. Now you see it, now it's on an Axopar. Let's go through a few of these. Let's try to do it again in just one take, even if we have customers on board. So I will just gonna be showing you the gull wing doors. These are now fully standard, like you've been seeing them on the Axopar 37s. Now we incorporate them as a standard on the Axopar 45s. We have the Mediterranean package on the boat, which also means that you have additional cushions that you can even have on top of the gull wing doors. Let's move around a bit. So the one thing that is really unique with the 45 is of course the internal space we're having on board. So we are in a complete new way of utilizing space on the 45. So we have a helm seat that is running 3 persons all around, seated or standing up position. Behind that we have a movable wet bar where you can have 3 additional people resting or leaning back against the wet bar while driving. Behind it we have a huge U sofa where you can be seated easily 10 people all around. But what is the real beauty with the wet bar is that it's running on a rail system, so that you can easily adjust the length and the distance from the sofa, also to have more space in the sofa section. One of the real unique features with the Axopar 45 is that we have some really big sliding front doors. But the one thing that really sets the whole project, the whole boat apart completely, is that we have fully openable back doors. With the both of the back doors fully open, you get a huge space sensation and a lot of air coming in and out of the boat. We are also having additional standard balcony doors on both sides of the boat, so that when we extend the balcony doors, I'm going to show you here just quickly, you can really utilize the full width of the boat and create additional seating area while you're at anchor at the harbor, and just fully take in the differentiation between to have a fully open boat and still have the luxury of having it fully enclosed seconds if the weather turns on you or you're ready to go. Additionally, walking around, the table itself rotates so to whatever preference you want, and it also moves. So this, as the wet bar, is also moving as a separate unit in itself. 2 dual sunroofs, all electrically adjusted. I'll just open them up to showcase you the whole idea. So we're really taking away the enclosed sensations on traditional cabin boats with the 45 cross cabin and really opening it up into a true day boat or open boat that really takes in the air. So now if you're having your time and you have the possibility to come to Palma and have a possibility to step on board, you will be experiencing this for yourself. And I think this is truly a product you need to see, touch and feel for yourself, because there are so many more additional hidden features and functions on this boat that you will see once you step on board. Welcome to Palma. Quasiment 750,